Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to my channel. First, let me start off by apologizing for the lack of content lately, but as you might imagine, it's been very chaotic with trying to get the house prepared for closing and still trying to work on getting my RV back from the service center. So all that is still in the works, in addition to continuing to work my full-time job until my retirement date. So my apologies for the lack of content. I'm gonna try to put a little something out. This video today is just a kind of an update on what's going on with the RV at this point. It looks like we're getting pretty close to actually getting it back and being able to get on the road full time. But as you might imagine, the stress level is amazing because it looks like you know, with Thanksgiving fast approaching, and that's going to be a short week. My understanding is that today is Saturday, the 16th, and the RV is going to be being painted today. The gentleman was nice enough to come in on Saturday to make that happen, and so I'm looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like next week. Still some issues waiting on the new generator and stuff like that. So, hey, if you don't know, if you need a generator for your RV and you have to buy a new one, man, that thing is like $18,000. So it's that's a heavy hit if it weren't for insurance. So keep that in mind. So without further ado, let's go ahead and run that intro, and then we'll get into the video and just show you where things are at right now.
These are the voyages of the Motorhome Tex. Its continuing retirement mission, to seek out new and exciting adventures, to explore interesting areas and events, to boldly go to places we've never been before, maybe even California.
I hope not. I'm just wondering. Yeah, I might have to plug those.
Yeah, I was just wondering, you know.
Yeah.
You say, you know, you're
That's
talking
possible.
about-
I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
But it might have to
Whole
plug
thing
well
is
the
so close,
whole
you might have to
first.
plug them all.
Because they're so close together.
Yeah, possibly.
Because remember, the weight sits on those.
If you don't want a eighth of an inch of metal,
No, I
you
don't
want to be able,
it.
that's what I'm saying.
I finally bought those copper wires. Yeah, it's got copper down, and it's spread like this, just for that. You don't know here?
I've always known him as spoons. Copper aluminum.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's what my dad always bought.
Got the pinstripe goes right over the holes.
Say again?
I said the pinstripe goes right over the holes.
This picture right here,
Yeah,
that silver line comes right through these housings.
yeah, it don't surprise me.
Now, these were black. The camera housings.
Uh-huh.
They have no paint on them. They're still raw plastic black.
Oh, okay.
Do you mind that I paint them to match so that the line goes through them and the burgundy and the white, and
No.
they all match?
Yeah, I think that would
Because
be
either
pretty.
way, these camera housings, off of the old cap, they were like this.
Oh, really?
Well, they're not no more. They're
Oh, okay.
dead the same height on both sides of the unit and the same distance from the wheel.
Oh, okay.
And so they're-
Symmetrical.
Yes. Well, I get, like, is there a template that I'm supposed to go by? And manufacturer said no. It's 6 inch. And then you, 1,500, 3,000, 5,000, polish it, you will never see the
Transition.
Yeah.
So the slime stuff is just like for overspray. It just makes it, keeps it from sticking to the finish. Okay.
I was actually just showing my buddy John about it.
Oh, look at that shit. That's pretty cool.
And it's liquid soap.
That's pretty cool.
It doesn't hurt the unit.
And then you just rinse it off with water? Is this water soluble? Oh, okay. Cool.
I mean, most of the time, I'll start the peeling, and I'll pull this off in one big sheet, and it'll stay like around these clips, around the glass, and then we'll come back with pressure washer, clean it, and
Man, that's badass. That saves a bunch of time, I'm sure, from having to mask all this stuff off.
yes, and that's what was going on. Was I was going through a box of bagging plastic almost per unit, and I mean, a box is. you figure-
That's a cool concept there.
It is. Back
Yeah, I
in the
was-
day when I was probably about 19 years old, I was working at Mako. I found out about that.
Yeah, I was just asking Eric. I said, "Are y'all gonna put the diamond shield back on?" He said, "Yep, it's already in there." I'm like, "Oh."
Yeah,
So-
yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
put diamond shield back on.
I know the jury's still out on that, but I mean, look, this one lasted what 10 years, and
Yeah, I mean, diamond shield's some good stuff. It's whether they have cut it small or cut it large, and that's the important part. Eric,
I-
I don't know if you intervened, what we've dealt with on the small cut.
It can be very problematic.
I thought it was just something that's sprayed on. It's not a spray on deal. Oh, shit.
It's film.
Yeah. It's actually
And
vinyl film.
you're not allowed to stretch it. You're not allowed to heat it. So exactly the way it comes is how you have to work it. So if it's short, then like what we just ran into, our seam line over here, it
Right.
was short over to here.
Oh, wow.
And
We're taking turns pulling it,
and we were trying to walk it, and no matter what
time.
we did, we couldn't get it out of it.
Yeah.
That's a lot of distance to try to make up.
That's when we found out you're not allowed to heat it because it's got such a large shrink rate because it's clear.
Okay.
So that's when we found out that they do. You got a manufacturer cut, and then there's a small cut from manufacturer and a large cut from manufacturer.
Well, you always buy the large.
Well, now that we know that, yeah, we want an oversized cut every time.
Every time. I'd rather want to throw away 2 feet than be an inch short.
I run 5 line and take my razor and
That's what I'm saying. I'd rather throw away 2 feet than be
What do you
an
think,
inch
Mr.
short.
Davis?
So did he get straight? Because he told me yesterday. I said, "Do you want me to call the insurance company back in?" Because I was fucking fired up, man. I'm like, I can't believe my insurance company that's supposed to be representing me is the holdup on getting the damn thing right. And I'm like, I told Lane, I said, the last time we talked to him, I said, look, you guys are my insurance company. Y'all ain't even paying for this shit. Her insurance company's paying for it. So why are you dragging your feet on getting the shit that we need? And he said, well, we're not doing that, Mr. Davis. We haven't gotten the supplementals. And then Lane said, well, he's supposed to do the supplementals. I'm like, well, I don't know, Lane. That don't make any sense. Why would he do the supplementals? He don't know what he's doing, I think. But anyway, it's coming along.
Yeah.
So-
You got the hood all prepped, ready to go? You want to go check out the hood?
Sure.
I'll be here tomorrow painting.
Oh, will you? Oh, good. Man, you my hero.
Hey, don't swell his head.
No, man, if he's coming in on his day off to get this thing painted, he is my hero. But my house is getting ready to sell, and I ain't gonna have no place to live.
Oh, man.
So I'm gonna be living in here, a little cot in the corner.
It gets real warm.
Yeah. It is. Thanks, Willoughby.
Eric, I have that cradle in there hooked upside down. Okay. If he wants to get some photos of that. One of my cabs is a weld on yet, so I'll show you what that one was.
I was telling the guys at work, he said, well, what color are they painting? I said, the color that it is. I said, I think it's burgundy, black, and white. He said, you think? I said, I ain't seen the damn thing in 6 months. I don't even remember.
Black, white, and silver.
Okay, yeah, forgot about the silver in there. Man, look, even the bounder looking nice now, but sleep.
Right over here.
Huh?
I see public.
Oh, yeah, I work at the Newport News Public Schools.
Because I noticed this bike I just did. They work. Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a piece of man. Said I might not know what color it's supposed to be, but I reckon oh, it's a toasty in here. Oh, there's my door. Is that, no, that's not my door.
Right there. All right. So, see how you had to, I had to inset these bearings in here. That was an absolute pain.
And is that to accommodate the new generator, or is that to try to?
This is just for the hood.
Oh, okay. Damn.
And then this piece goes here.
All right, that about sums it up. So we're gonna hopefully have a little something for you. Maybe we'll have a completed video coming in the very near future. That's my hope anyway. So in the meantime, remember, when camping, take only photos, leave only footprints. Travel safe. We'll see you next time.